Sup guys, today we've got Transformers Studio Series, Transformers 1, B-127, or BADASSATRON. Very cool. It's got all the stuff, all the box art, all the things, right? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Anyways, enough of the box. Let's look at BADASSATRON. I think he's really cool. He definitely lives up to his name. Of course he does have these, so he can have guns for hands. Oh, but then he also has these, so he can have his knife hands! Guys, look, I got knife hands! Okay, anyways, he's got one for each hand. Obviously. There you go. Very cool. Pew pew. Slice slice. All that fun stuff. He also has this really big gun that's really cool. So there's that. You can give him that as well. Stick this on his back or something. Anyways, that's pretty cool. I really like this guy. But, let's, transform him real quick. Alright. Cue music. 3, 2, 1, go! And there we go, here he is in vehicle mode. Very nice. Very nice. Of course you can store these up here on the top. Like so. You can stick the gun over here on the side. What's interesting is on the back of the box it shows it stuck to the other side, but it's literally just the picture's like this, but it's just mirrored for some reason, I don't know. Anyways, so that's pretty cool. He rolls pretty nicely. BADASSATRON. And yeah, so there you go. There's BADASSATRON. That's it. That's all for today. Really hope you guys enjoy it. So like, subscribe, do a lot of fun stuff, and most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.